Hello and welcome back to the Welsh Gardener. This is the start of a new series where I'll be sharing my updates of my garden with you. You'll be able to take part in polls, I'll be answering your questions, and you'll be able to send in your pictures to my email and I'll feature them on my show. My channel started in April and since then you've managed to get me to 57 subscribers on my YouTube channel, 404 followers on my Instagram and about 17 likes on my Facebook page. Thank you all for staying with me since the start. So my plan for this series is to have one video every Monday where I can do all of these parts, where I can speak about your polls that I put on the last week, I can answer your questions that you've asked in the comments, and I can also feature some of your gardens which you will have emailed to me in the email that was further back in the video. So for Christmas I got 2 gardening related books which I'm going to show you now. So one of them is Dick and James Strawbridge's book, Practical Self-Sufficiency. And then I also got Monty Don's book, which is Down to Earth here. I've already started to read this one. So now I'm going to speak about my plans for 2019. So my first plan is that I want to get to 100 subscribers on this YouTube channel. So because of this goal, if you haven't already, could you please go down there and subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. My other plan is that I'm going to try and be self-sufficient in vegetables for a week. Now it doesn't sound like much, but in the small space that I have, it's going to be quite a struggle, but I'm going to really try and... So there's some plans for this YouTube channel I've got as well, which is that I want to have a few collaborations with other YouTubers, and I also want to make better quality, longer videos for my YouTube channel. So now I'm going to speak about the poll question, which I'm going to ask for this week, and I'll show the results next week. So it'll be found up here, somewhere, along the top here. Now the question is, how much gardening experience do you have on a scale of 1 to 10? So go up there and answer, and then I'll read out the results from that poll next week. If you have any questions that you would like me to answer in next week's video about gardening on my YouTube channel, then please leave them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching the first video of this series. I hope to see you next week.